Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. First we need to remove the old straps if you want to replace them. So grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically this is the quick release, the simplest one rather. You basically pull on this lever, it will release the strap from the watch and you can then pull it out. So what you need to do is to pull it towards the middle of the strap. Once you pull it, it will release the strap and you can take it out from your watch. Same for the other one. Pull on the lever and release it. And this mechanism is quite simple. Basically you have two pins on each side of the strap and they are locked in the holes on each side of the watch. And basically when you pull on this lever, it will retract the pin, which basically releases the strap on the one side, and then you can pull it out from the watch. And to put them back on, so let's say you have a new straps or you want to put them simply back on, you grab the strap, you take your strap and then you insert the side opposite from the lever, so the other end, you insert it into a watch, into a hole on the watch, right here. And then you can pull on the lever, align it with the other hole, release it, and it will click in. Quite simple, quite efficient. One of the best ways to change the straps. So I recommend. For example, Samsung has the different system. It's not that good. Same with the Apple. This one is simple and it works with most watches. So it won't be that hard to find the replacement straps for this watch. And for example, for Samsung, you will need to have their proprietary stuff, which is kinda annoying, but it is what it is. Okay, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.